In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change author tag name in Excel file. If you've ever shared a workbook and noticed the wrong name showing up under its properties, this quick walkthrough will help you update the author tag so it reflects the right person or brand. This is a document property that travels with the file, so changing it ensures anyone who opens the workbook sees the correct author information. Start with the workbook open in Excel. Head to the top left corner and select File. This takes you to the Backstage view, which is where Excel keeps all the behind-the-scenes options for your document. It looks different from the regular grid, so don't worry if your sheet disappears from view for a moment. On the left-hand panel, choose Info. The Info page summarizes key details about your file, such as size, permissions, and properties. On the right side, you'll see a section labeled Properties. This is where the author tag lives. Click Properties. Depending on your version of Excel, this might appear as a button or a drop-down near the top right of the Info page. When the menu opens, select Advanced Properties. That option opens a dialog box with several tabs that let you view and edit more detailed metadata about your workbook. In the Advanced Properties window, you'll land on the Summary tab. Look for the Author field. Click into that box and type the name you want associated with this file. If there are multiple names listed, you can remove the ones you don't want or adjust the formatting to match your organization's style. Keep it clear and consistent so collaborators immediately recognize who owns the document. When you're happy with the change, click OK to confirm. Back on the Info page, you should now see the updated author name. If you don't see it immediately, save the workbook and it will refresh. This change applies to this file only and doesn't alter your system or account name. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If the Properties option seems grayed out, the file might be read-only or stored in a location where you don't have edit permissions. Try saving a local copy and repeat the steps. Also, consider keeping the author field free of sensitive details. Use a professional display name that's appropriate for sharing. That's it. File, Info, Properties, Advanced Properties, and then edit the author field. Save your workbook, and your document's author tag is now set the way you want.